This is a great 15-minute warm-up to do before any exercise. Hi, I'm Gabby, welcome back to TaylorToned, and you have made it to your 15-minute bar warm-up. I'm going to be warming up every single inch of your body and get you prepared for whatever you're about to do next. If you do want another TaylorToned workout, head back to my YouTube homepage. There is so many on there: abs workouts, arms workouts, thigh workouts, booty workouts, all equipment free. If you've not already hit subscribe, do that right now and give me a thumbs up on this video. Also check out my Instagram at TaylorToned. Let's do this. Okay, bringing yourself up to a standing position, let's get started. You're going to reach your hands all the way out towards the side. Take a little bend through the knees, straight to leg lift. So we're going to go up and up and up and up. So you're lifting the knee to the ceiling, bringing the toe in front of yourself into that traditional bar move, leg lifts. We go up and up. Keep going. Now you're going to sweep your hands down, lift, down, lift. Keep going, just one more of these, lift. Now you're going to start to reach the hands forwards towards the toes. Go scoop and scoop. So you're getting a nice stretch here through the spine, coming towards a thoracic stretch of the spine. That middle part of the spine is reaching forwards. You have just 8 more, 7 more, 6. You have this. 5. Keep going. Go 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give everything a little shake off. You're going to take a side reach here. Bring your feet wide than the hips. You're going to slide one arm down the leg. Reach the hand over the top. Nice deep breath. And then you're going to go the other way. Slide one arm down. Reach the hand over the top. Side stretch. Then turn the feet out and come into plank position. Bring the hands to a prayer position. You're going to drop down, lift up, lift, and lift, drop down. Sinking those hips down towards the floor. We're opening out the hips, stretching through the legs. Drop, lift it up, keep going. Let's get that heart rate as well. Up, go down, lift up. We're going to warm up the whole of your body today. Go 5 and lift. 4 more here. You've got it. 3, push the palms together. 2, last one now. Hold nice and low. Pushing the hips to the floor. Now I want you to reach the hands out to the side and a little tiny drop. Drop, drop. Little squeeze down at the hips to the floor. Let's wake up those thighs. Let's wake up your quads, your hamstrings, your glutes. Give me 8, 7. You've got this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give everything a quick shake off. We're going to roll down through the spine. So I want you to tuck your chin to your chest. Slowly reach the hands to the floor. Walk all the way out into a plank. You're going to hold it there. Squeeze the abs in. And then walk the hands all the way back up. Bend through the knees and roll through every single vertebrae of your spine. And then again, but this time we're going to hold this one. Roll down. Reach the hands out. Hold a plank position. Hands are under those shoulders, legs are extended backwards, staying right there, squeezing your belly button in as tight as you can. Now step the feet together, squeeze your inner thighs together, squeeze your glutes together, shoulders over the top of your wrists. Now press the middle of the back in between your shoulder blades up to the ceiling. I know it's burning. We are waking up your core, and give me just 10, 9, you've got this. 8, 7, 6, 5, child's pose in 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Toes together. Open through the knees into a quick child's pose position. Inhaling in, exhaling away. And then bring yourself back into a plank position. You're going to bring your right foot forwards through the hands into a runner's lunge. This is called. The knee is over the top of the ankle, the left leg is extended backwards. Runner's lunge. You should feel this as an opening through the hip underneath that right leg too. Nice deep breath. Hold there. Inhale Exhale. If you're feeling super bar or Pilates or yoga advanced today, you can always peel your chest off the thigh. Bring the hands to a prayer, just an option. Find stillness. 6, 5, 4 hands down in 3, 2, 1. Hands down to the floor. Well done. Inhale in, exhale away. Now you can either sweep this foot right to the side or lower this knee down. Whatever option it is, sweep the foot round, find another plank and hold there. Well done. Inhale in, exhale away. Other side. Bring your left foot now round through the center of those hands. Runner's lunge here. And again, we have those same options. Just hold a few breaths. If you want to go into it, peel the body, upper body off that front thigh, hands go into a prayer, roll the shoulders backwards and down, find stillness through your body, find strength in your stillness. Give me just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands go back down. Whatever your option is, sweep the foot round into a plank. I took the advanced option that time. Hold here, inhale, exhale, you've got this. Can you stay up there? 5, 4, going forearms in 3, 2, 1. Now lower one forearm down to the floor. Lower the other forearm down towards the floor. You want your fingertips and your arms parallel. Squeeze your glutes together. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Find that tremble through your abdominals. You're going to rotate right fingertips to left elbow. And we are going to roll. Sweep the hand to the ceiling. You're in a side plank position. Stay right here. Modification, if you want to modify this, underneath knee bends and goes down to the floor. Choose your option and then lift the hips. Go up and up. Side planks, one of my favorite moves. It really gives you definition through the waist and you'll really notice that hourglass figure developing as you start to do more side planks. So give me your all right now. 7, 6 lifts, 5, 4 pushes, 3, 2, 1. Hold there. You're gonna roll back into a forearm plank. Modification, you can always lower down onto the fleshy part of your thighs. If you're up here in the challenge, just give me a little rock forward and back. Go forwards and back. You've got it. 4, 3, 2, last one. Hold here. You're gonna rotate your left fingertips to your right elbow. Let's go side plank, other side, and start to lift the hips up, up. So you're squeezing this right hip bone to the ceiling here. Your hips are square. Pushing that hip as high as you can. Cut it into that waistline. Let's get that dream hourglass figure. 7, 6, 5, 4. You've got this. 3, 2, 1. Back through the center. Press onto those forearms. Squeeze again. Inner thighs together. Inhale in. Exhale away. Feel this in your lower spine. If you can feel it down there in that lumbar spine, tuck the hips under. Squeeze your hip bones into your belly button. Give me stillness here. Find strength in your stillness. 8, 7. We've got this. 6 and 5. Child's pose in 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Push the hips backwards, toes together, open through the chest, reach the hands forwards. Find a nice deep inhale and a big exhale, expanding through that chest, through the ribs. Then bring yourself all the way up into a cat and cow. Hands on the shoulders, knees under the hips. Scoop the abdominals up and in. Eye line comes under to your belly button. Another breath in, and then exhale, push the chest down, lift the eye line all the way up. So you're just getting a nice stretch here through the spine, getting it ready for whatever workout you're about to take. One more inhale, scooping the abs up and under. Don't forget, I've got plenty of workouts on my YouTube homepage. Head back there if you want something straight after this. Then you're going to come into a push-up position, but a kneeling push-up position. Bring your hands just widen the shoulders. knees to the floor, but then I want you to draw your body in a straight line. So the crown of your head down to your knees is in a gorgeous straight line. It's as straight as a ruler. You're gonna bend through the elbows. We go. Bend for 2, and then up, lift up. So you're taking a modified push-up. If you're feeling super strong today and you are like, Gabby, that is way too easy for me, you can always tuck the toes under, take this as a full push-up. It's up to you, but I want you to be feeling it, really feeling it through the arms, through the chest. Getting the chest down to the floor. Do not let your butt stick in the air. I see that so much. You've got a straight line from the crown of your head down to your knees. 3 more here. Drop, lift, lift. You've got this. Go down, down, lift, lift. 1 more. Lift, lift. Now stay up here. I want you to find a nice deep breath. Inhale in. Exhale. Now push the chest to the floor. Elbows do not flare right out to the side. They are hugging in tight going into that V. Now add a little tiny bounce. Drop, drop. Little tiny pulse. You have 7, 6, 5. You've got it. 4. Push back in 3, 2, 1. Push the hips backwards. Reach the hands forwards. Nice deep breath again. Inhale in, exhale away. Slowly roll yourself up. Let's continue with that arm workout. You're going to bring your hands to the side. You're going to go forwards for 2. Out, out we go. Reach forwards for 2. Out to the side. Let's go. Forwards, forwards. Out, out. Hands are in line with your shoulders. Your belly button is pulled in. Shoulders are rolled backwards and down. Let's get that posture ready for whatever workout you're about to do. We go forwards, go out to the side. 2 more. Forwards, out, out. 1 more. Forwards. We go out, out. Now turn the palms up to the ceiling. We're gonna go lift, lift, lift. Woo. Lift and up and up and up. Now do not let the rest of the body start to slack off here. Pull the abs in. Shoulders are rolled back and down. Squeeze your shoulders away from your ears. Pull your lats together. We go up, up. You got this. 7, 6, 5, 4. You have it. 3, 2, 1. Hold. Palms go forwards. You're going to rotate the palms back, forwards. We're burning out those arms. Let's go. Back, forwards, back, forwards. Elbows are straight. Shoulders are rolled down. Can you go there? Quicker speed. Woo! Back, forwards, back, forwards, back, forwards. You've got it. 7, 6. Let the arms burn. 4, 3, 2, 1. Do not drop out. You're going to bring your palms forwards. I'm going to go side so you can see. Press the palms together. Now bring the fingertips to the ceiling. I love this one. Little tiny lift, lift, lift. So you're bringing elbows up, chin to nose, like you're drawing a little straight line here. Let's burn those arms out and give me just 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You've got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give the arms a quick shake off. Coming to the end of your workout, we're going to come to some quick tricep dips. Feet come round to the front. Fingertips, they must point towards your heels. They must do that or you'll damage the wrist. Now lift the hips off the floor. Extend through the elbows. Dig the heels in. We're going to go bend, lift, bend, lift. You've got it. Bend, lift. Modification. Drop the hips forwards if it's too much. Drop the hips back if you want it harder. If you really can't get through this, you're thinking, Gabby, oh my gosh, my arms are destroyed from your isometric arms. Lower the hips down to the floor. You'll still get a burnout. We go bend, press, keep going. Give me 6. Give me 5. You've got it. 4 more. 3. 2. Bend the elbows. toes. I know, little tiny bend, bend, miniature, micro bend. Shift the hips backwards. 2 more inches. Let's get those dream arms. Go 10, 9 more bends. 8, you've got this. 7, 6. We are done. Into a quick stretch to finish in 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. You're going to bring yourself just onto your knees. Give it a little shoulder roll round into an arm stretch. One arm comes across the chest. Loop this bottom arm under. Bring the head over. Other side, left arm across the chest. Right arm loops under. Head goes to the side. Give those arms a shake off. You're just going to roll the arms round. Roll the arms round. Woo. And then from here, hands come under the shoulders. Knees under the hips. Tuck the toes under. Downward dog. Hips go high, heels go low. Find that nice V shape through the body. Walk the hands in towards your feet. Fold the body over. Let the head dangle down. Maybe give it a quick nod and shake off. Gently bend through the knees. Roll yourself all the way up through the body. And well done in your TaylorToned 15-minute bar warm-up. If you want something else right now to team with that warm-up, head back to my YouTube homepage. There's so much on there. Arm workouts, ab workouts, thigh workouts, all completely equipment-free and easy to follow along at home. Hit subscribe, leave me any feedback down below. See you again next time. Bye.